Good morning, welcome back to the Twins and Me. I'm doing just a day on the allotment plot. Yeah, a day on the allotment plot vlog today. I'm just going to take you along, show you what we're going to do on the plot today. We do have two plots. I am filming a video of the new plot and the progression. So that's still to come because I want to. It's nice for us to look back on and see how much work we've done on it. So that won't be out for probably another couple of weeks or so. But that is progressing really well. I've got Lucy down here as well today. She's going to make a start on this. We've got a chicken coop at the back of this plot that we want to clear out and make it look nice, and it's going to be a seating area. So yeah, I thought I'd just take you along with us today. So I'm just on the second plot, which we're quite excited about because I've just found out that this tree produces amazing plums, Victoria plums, which I don't think we've got on the other plot. And then this one is supposed to be a green gauge tree, which, if I'm honest, I didn't know what that was, so I had to look it up. It's basically like a green plum. So yeah, I've got that to do. So I'm just walking down to the other plot. Hi Lucy. So some of the jobs I've got to do today is I've got some freesia bulbs that I want to put in. The benefit now of having two plots is that we want to grow a lot of some cut flowers as well as the fruit and veg, because we didn't have enough space before, but hopefully with the two plots we have got enough space to do that. So I've got a lot of seeds. I will do another video of all the seeds and flowers that I'm planting, but the freesias I just need to get in, and I've got to start off some ranunculus in. I've seen that what you do, I've never grown them before, but you soak them, the little corms, and you put them into like little pots, let them grow to a certain size, then you can plant them out. So that's what I've got to do as well when I get home. But I'm down on the other plot. So yesterday we were here and I cleared all of these out. Last year I just put a load of seeds in and then I couldn't remember what I put in there, so I've literally just pulled it all out apart from this sage, this lavender and these Swiss chard that are still okay. So I've just left all of them, and instead of putting seeds directly in it this year, what I'm going to do is start most of them off in seed trays in the greenhouse, and then once they get to a certain size, put them out, and then I know what's in there. Then that's the plan. I also mum cleared some of this and then I finished it off, so I've cleared all of this. This is all going to be flowers this year, so that's what the plan is. So the freesias are going to go in here, the ranunculus are going to go in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any dahlias in. I've got a lot of dahlias, but I'll put some in here, but some will go in the garden. Snapdragons, yeah, whatever I can get in will go in here. Let me just show you our kohlrabi. I'm so pleased with this. I just need it to start to fill out a bit. Oh, that one's going a bit rounder, but yeah, these should be the purple. It's purple Vienna, I think, if I remember rightly. So this has also all been, mum's cleared all this out and weeded it, and she's actually started, let me try and get my shadow out of the way. She's actually put some carrots in there, and then in a few weeks time she'll put another couple of rows. There's a little bit of kale in there left, and then we've got this one that has all been dug out, and then we've got our broad beans. This is turning into a tour instead of just what we're doing. Broad beans that were started. We did plant some directly in here, but I think something ate them all because there were little holes where all the seeds were because we haven't covered it. But these ones were grown at mum and dad's house, and then they've just been planted out, and then we've just got this over to stop them being eaten, really. There's Lucy, she's just watering the plants, the seeds and stuff in the greenhouse. And we've got some purple sprouting broccoli, which I'm excited for. Unfortunately, we had some real bad sort of frost, really cold, and that killed off this normal broccoli, and it was annoying because it did start to have the heads on it, and it did get some of these as well, but some of them are okay. And then we've got our onions and garlic. So these are garlic and these are different onions. We did have some onion seeds in here, but they don't seem to have done anything. So what we're going to do is dig all that, like weed it all. Mum's bringing down some more, I think they're red onion sets that we're going to put in here. But yeah, the others seem to all be doing okay. So as I say, I've got these freesia, I think that's how you say it, bulbs. And I read, it says just to plant them straight out, but I did read somewhere on the internet to soak them for half an hour. So I am going to soak them for half an hour, but these are to be planted in February to May. So, and then they flower June to July. So I want to get them now so that I can have the flowers earlier, if that makes sense. And then I might do some more later on to succession sow a little bit. So I'm going to go and get some water. I've got found this watering can that's got a larger opening at the top. I'm just going to go and get some water. We're quite lucky on our plot that we have mains water, but we do have water butts as well that we use and try and use more so. But I'm just going to get some water to put in here to soak them. To pop them in just this bit here, and we have to put them 10 centimeters apart, 8 centimeters deep. So we need, where's my mark? There was a trowel. Right, I'm just gonna go get the trowel. I'm gonna take my gloves off for this. I don't like doing it with gloves, I'd rather do it without, but sometimes it's too messy. Put them right there then, yeah? Put them in rows like that, shall I? Thank you for your expert opinion, Lucy. gone 1 o'clock, I think, isn't it? Was it? And we're heading home now for some lunch and to chill. Well, no, I've got to do some seeds actually. I've got to sow some more seeds at home, so I'm going to do that as well. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you're not already for more allotment and gardening and craft and food videos. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.